Don't know how to move, rotate or scale objects in Blender? Let's take a look. Today, Arlo will be assisting us once again. First, select the object with the left mouse button. The basic way to move an object in the scene is by pressing T, which brings up the left toolbar. Then, select the move icon. Then just grab one of the arrows and drag. X is left, right, Y is forward, backward, and Z is up, down. Another option is using the right hand panel, which you bring up by pressing N. Make sure you are on the item tab, the first option for me. Under location, you can manually set the position of the object along the X, Y, and Z axis. You can also move object using keyboard shortcuts, and for me, that is the best method. It makes work faster, especially if you are using a macro pad. G lets you freely move an object anywhere. To move in a specific direction, add GX, left right, GY, forward backward, GZ, up down. Once you have pressed G, you can switch directions just by typing X, Y, or Z. To confirm the new position, click with the left mouse button. If you click with the right mouse button before confirming, the object will snap back to its original spot. Rotation works the same way. Key T, rotation icon, colored circles correspond to axis. If you grab the object in the center, you can rotate it freely in all directions. Key N, item, rotate, manually set values for X, Y, Z. If you set all values to 0, the object resets to its original orientation. Shortcut, instead of G, use R, so RX, RY, RZ. And finally, scale. The principle is the same as with move and rotate. T, scale icon, red, X, changes width, green, Y, changes depth, blue Z, changes height. Whoops! Arlo has turned into a dwarf. And item, scale, here you can set the size manually. If you enter 1 for all axes, the object returns to its original size. Shortcut is S for scale. As X, Arlo becomes a white elf. As Y, Arlo gets stretched. As Z, Arlo grows taller. And with that, we are one step closer to creating our very first custom terrain for RPG games. Stay tuned for more Blender tips and share this with friends who might find it useful. See you between rows!